In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Gamma.AI in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned user of Gamma.AI or just getting started, integrating video into your presentations can make them significantly more engaging and dynamic. Let's dive right in and see how you can easily embed videos into your Gamma.ai presentations. First, you'll need to log into your Gamma.ai account. If you're already logged in, great. We can move on. If not, head over to the Gamma.ai website and enter your credentials to log in. This is your starting point where you can access all the presentations and resources available in your account. Once you're logged in, it's time to select the presentation you want to work on. Click to open a presentation that you'd like to enhance with video content. Navigating through your existing presentations is simple. Just make sure to choose the right one where a video addition would make sense to bolster your message. With your presentation open, the next step is to find the Videos and Media or Embed option. Usually this feature is readily available within the Gamma interface, and it's your gateway to adding enriching content. Keep a keen eye out for it in the toolbar or sidebar, wherever Gamma might have it displayed. After locating the appropriate option, you'll want to drag and drop the video or embed block right onto your card. The flexibility to place your video exactly where you want on the card allows for creative freedom and ensures that the video content complements the rest of your presentation material seamlessly. Decide the most strategic spot on your card and simply drop it there. With the block now in place, it's time to enter your video content. Paste the video link or embed code into the newly created block. Gamma makes it straightforward. You just need to copy your video link from your desired platform and place it into the block. This action effectively ties your video content into your presentation. It's worth mentioning that Gamma supports direct embeds from widely used platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, Loom, TikTok, and Instagram. This wide range of supported platforms means you can choose the best suited video platform for your content needs. Whether it's a tutorial, an inspirational piece, or a product demo, you're likely covered. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully added a video to your Gamma.ai presentation. This addition not only makes your slides more dynamic, but also helps in effectively conveying your message. So go on and enhance your presentations with captivating video content and watch how it makes an impact on your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.